guys, in today's video, we'll be checking out this Imaginext Superman playset. We're even going to add SpongeBob and, Patrick. Are you ready, kids? Because I'm ready to be super. La 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 la, getting the Krabby Patty, la 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 la. La 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 la, putting on the ground, la 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 la, and wait for it to cut, la 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 la. Hey SpongeBob! Whoops, wrong way. Hey SpongeBob! Oh hey Patrick, what's up? Guess what? I just found something amazing. Ooh, what is it? Come with me. Woohoo! Well, okay. Woohoo! Alright, Patrick, what do you want to show me? This! Whoa! Do, 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 do. Patrick, what is this place? I found it! See for yourself. What do? Okay. Yeah! To the SpongeBob layer! Patrick, this is not my layer. I mean, it's really cool and all, but this is not mine. It belongs to someone else. Who? Superman, of course. Who's Superman? Superman is a superhero that saves people. I know him because I read his comics. Well, okay. Let's check this place out. Patrick, wait up! Patrick, where are you? Over here, SpongeBob. Hold on. Oh, come on, you dumb hand. Sorry, got you out. Hey, SpongeBob. Patrick, what is that? It's my superhero costume. A superhero costume? Yeah, Superman has these. Oh man, I want one too. You should take it forever. I got it. Whoa, you look really awesome. Yeah, Patrick. Oh man, let's see something else. Oh yeah, wrong way. Here we go again. Patrick, where are you? Oh man, I can't find him anywhere. Ooh, what's this thing do? Ow! Alright, who did that? Ow! Where do the stings keep coming from? Ow! Ooh! Ooh! Wait, you're not hitting me. Haha, in your face. Haha, face. Ow! Oh, this day can't possibly get any worse, sir. Hey, SpongeBob! Oh! You need to stop pressing these buttons. It's gonna get us killed. No way, SpongeBob. I can turn any blue I ever want. Hey, why is the camera moving? Sorry, I can't hold this very well. Well, anyways, drop it. Okay. Whoops, not like that. Sorry, it's been a terrible day. Right, Patrick, where are you? Hey, a power pad. Man, get over here. Turn that power pad on. Huh, something got dropped. Thanks, hand. Whoa! I'm okay. Hey, a spatula. Sweet. Alright, now to find Patrick. Oh, help me! Patrick! Where are you? Over here. Patrick, you're in jail? Yeah. How do you got in jail? That would be me. Who said that? Hold on, I'm in the bathroom. Alright, whoever keeps saying that, he better stop. Narrator guy, are you supposed to say 1 hour later? Sorry, I'm too bored. Oh, okay. Well, back to sleep. Help? Oh man, this is taking forever! SpongeBob, go! Can you see the clock is ticking? Tick, tock, 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 tick. Alright, I'm done. Finally, show your face, Dean. Oh my god, you're Superman. I'm a huge fan of yours. Wait, you know me? Yep. Wow, secrets even know me. Hey, can you look at my friend Patrick? We're sorry to invade your lair. It's layer, not layer. That's what I said. Oh, okay. I'll get you down. Oh! Better. Yeah, that's better. Here. Sorry, it's just I get nervous trying these videos. Come on, Patrick, let's go. Let's fly to the sky. Shh. Cool, you can fly. I want to fly too. Whoosh. Oh, maybe I'll just walk. Watching, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and check down the video and click the like button down below. Oh wait, I already said that. Never mind. Bye.